I facilitate the Super Bowl Practicum, aptly titled the Super Bowl Practicum. The classroom sessions, we break down all things Super Bowl, the history of the Super Bowl, the economics of the Super Bowl, marketing, branding, sponsorship. The emergence of the halftime show is a fun piece to dissect and discuss.
We learned how the NFL kind of takes over a city for the Super Bowl, and we got to experience that for ourselves going to Las Vegas.
We partner with the NFL. We work the Super Bowl experience. We work game day at the stadium, the day of the Super Bowl.
I want to be a sports psychologist for a higher professional team. So going to Vegas and seeing the teams in person, I got to see what goes on behind the scenes, the stretching, the mentality piece that these athletes go through.
There's a few goals of this course. One is to get students really excited about the possibilities in sport. You know, all of these behind the scenes elements of a huge sport event are the things that we study.
With me wanting to be part of the basketball operations at a pro level, specifically for the NBA, hopefully for Milwaukee Bucks, I need to learn how to talk correctly and be able to public speak well. I feel like me being there and me showing that it's possible to do such things, such as go to the Super Bowl, it shows people like me that they can do what I'm doing and better.
I saw that it's a lot of moving parts. It's a lot of separate teams that all do their own job in such a good way that allows it to work together. You have security teams and you have people like us, the teammates, who are hired by completely different people, but when we work and we do our jobs in conjunction, it creates an amazing event like the Super Bowl.
The hope is that there's some networking going on with our students, and that potentially could open some doors for them.
One of the biggest implications was seeing that even all the way out in Las Vegas, there was a Nichols graduate working for the Golden Knights that we got to speak to, and just how many people that really work in the field are just regular people like myself. It's really eye-opening, and it gives me a lot of confidence that I can do anything I really want to in this field, and then I can make a career for myself doing what I want to for the rest of my life.
I'm going to use my communication skills I learned from going to the Super Bowl in a sport environment.
Being able to go to the Super Bowl as a female going into the sports industry was really eye-opening, because you don't see a lot of women in the sports industry. It's very hard for us to do that because it's a male-dominant work area. So going and seeing that there are female athletic trainers, female athletic commentators and all that, it was really eye-opening and inspirational.
And then when we come back, we do a SWOT analysis of the event. We do a final reflection project. The students present a project of their choosing.
There's so many resources here with either the Career Center, a lot of alumni days, a lot of practicums, a lot of career days that just really help you meet people, network, and kind of get a feel for the real world before you even graduate.